She's so lovely. She's so lovely. Can't think of another word to say. She's so lonely, but she tries to run away.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am finally back with that classic makeup tutorial for you all. I know I am just trying my best to do my Instagram stuff and my YouTube stuff at the same time. You can't even imagine the work pressure. जब भी ये festive season आता है बहुत ही pressure रहता है. So I'm trying my best to do more YouTube videos as much as possible. Today I'm back with a turtleneck top and also a fall makeup look for you all. This fall makeup look is going to be like a very everyday friendly makeup look and also very easy. I'm gonna feature a few new products as well, especially the new Huda Beauty Empowered palette. To show you guys a very easy, simple, classic fall makeup look and do it anytime you want, especially during this winter. This makeup look is going to be so beautiful. Maybe if you're going for a night out or maybe if you're going out for a lunch date, you can definitely nail this look. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, I already have some foundation on my face because I was testing out a new foundation for my Instagram reel. So I have a foundation on my face. You can use any foundation you want. I use the Makeup Revolution IRL foundation, and now I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade Amber.
Where she gotta go?
Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my eye makeup. This is the palette right over here, but I don't know what look I will do, so I'm gonna search my Pinterest a little bit. This is what the palette looks like. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do, but I do think that I have to add this grey color. Grey is such a beautiful trendy fall color, so I'm gonna mix browns. First I will take this shade right over here, which is called Big Dreams, and I will just use it over here just to add a little bit of depth to my crease area.
She don't know me. Wish that I can make her stay. She's so lonely. Where she gotta go?
Far we have something like this. I'm gonna take this beautiful nude peach shade. I am going to mix it with this color and I'm gonna take it a little bit upward to add that ombre-ish blend.
She's so lovely. She's so lovely.
I'm gonna take a more precise brush. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I'm gonna take this gray shade which is called Winner. Take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and blend everything together. Okay, now I'm gonna take this eye pencil. This is from LA Girls and this is a brown eye pencil. Such a beautiful shade. This is called Deep Bronze and I'm gonna use it as my eyeliner.
Girl, why won't you stay?
So this is my finished eye makeup look. Look at this. It is such a beautiful soft smoky eye look. Now I'm gonna take my contour stick. This is from Rare Beauty and I am just going to add a little bit of contour on my face just to add a more contrast, just to add a little bit of warmth and contrast on my face.
Where she gotta go?
Like my all-time favorite contour stick. I love Rare Beauty products. Now I'm gonna take this shade. This is from Nudestix. This is that perfect fall blush color. This is in the shade Sunkissed. This can be used as your bronzer or as your blush, but I love using this as my blush. It is so pretty. Look at this. Wow. So natural looking and a perfect shade for fall. Tell me this is not that perfect fall blush. A highlighter, this is from L'Oreal, and this is a very beautiful goldenish highlighter, and I think this will be perfect for this makeup look as it contains like a very beautiful golden undertone to it. As I have a lot of warm tone going on my face, this highlighter will look so pretty, and it is actually so pretty. Lastly, I have my fall lip combo. So one is from Mars. This is their lip crayon in the shade Coffee Brown, a beautiful fall lip color, perfect. And another one is from Simply Nam. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Dusty Pink. It's a nude pink color.
She's so lonely.
This is my type of a color. I love a brown color like this, and this is gonna suit every single skin tone. And on top of this, I'm gonna use this liquid lipstick. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? I think this is such a beautiful makeup look, and it is my kind of a look. It is my favorite type of look. I just love this brown theme that is going on. Still, it is so wearable, so soft, and so easy to achieve at the same time. If you want more such tutorials, let me know in the comments, and please let me know some ideas. What should I do more on my YouTube channel? I know you guys love my vlogs. Sometimes I do also love giving you guys some makeup looks. So what do you guys think? So definitely leave your comments down in the description box below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.